Hello, everybody. Food reviewer here. It's cold outside. I only know this because I took a 5-minute run to record here. Box. Today, I'm trying Hot Fudge Sundae Pop-Tarts, which if you can't tell, we already tried to record this. Even though the recording went fine, somebody deleted it. He didn't delete it, but, my slave keeps barking. I don't know what it is, but he... Stop barking! Up your asshole again.
No, not the butt cheeks.
Alright, let's go back to recording.
Hey, my Uber.
It tastes like a hot fudge sundae with sprinkles. Now the camera must cut to the faggot man, doing a T-pose.
That was my victory screech.
Can we kill it?
I mean, I don't see... Oh, it's nighttime. Shh, go to sleep. You know,
Cut!
at the end of next video, we're jugging. Never mind, we aren't jugging at the end of next video.
I can edit it for you guys. Right?
No.
Should we record in the backyard with the dogs?
Hold
No.
on,